Hi everyone, I'm Dhruva KS from ICER Pune, and today I'm going to be talking about a recent work that I did in collaboration with Sachin Jain and Evgeny Skotsov. And the title of my talk is Hidden Sectors of Chern-Simons Matter Theories and Exact Holography. In short, what we show is that by taking a certain non-unitary limit in Chern-Simons matter theories, we are able to uncover the holographic dual to chiral higher spin gravity in ADS4. The outline of my talk is the following, and without any further ado, let me begin. The goal, in short, is to find a simple yet a non-trivial example of the ADS-CFT correspondence. Work in this direction, for instance, includes the work by Klebanov and Polyakov with the duality between the ON or UN free and critical 3D vector models and Vasilev's higher spin theory in one higher dimensional ADS. These theories also actually enjoy an extension by coupling to the Chern-Simons gauge field, and they are collectively called Chern-Simons matter theories. And these theories, for instance, exhibit very interesting phenomena such as bosonization dualities. A characteristic feature that they possess is that they have a tower of higher spin currents whose non-conservation starts only at order 1 over n. Well, then the ADS-CFT dictionary then tells us that the bulk duals should possess massless particles with arbitrarily high spin. That is, the bulk dual should be a higher spin gravity. However, an analysis by Slight and Tarona showed actually that the bulk duals of the ON or UN vector models are very non-local. And even in the case of Chern-Simons matter theories, we showed that this bulk non-locality still persists. However, we can ask a question, is it possible to tune some parameters of these Chern-Simons matter theories to render locality in the bulk? That's where the protagonist of today's talk, chiral higher spin gravity, enters the fray. It's a local, but non-unitary and well-defined higher spin gravity in ADS4. Its spectrum features lossless particles of all positive integer spins, but it only has a particular subset of all possible interactions. For instance, the anti-chiral theory contains vertices only with net negative helicity. For instance, only the minus 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 and minus minus plus 3-point graviton amplitudes and their permutations are non-zero. However, configurations like the plus 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 3-point graviton amplitude is zero in the anti-chiral theory. Now, given the specific feature of the vertices, we ask what is the dual conformal field theory? Well, Chern-Simons matter theories feature the correct higher spin spectrum, but from the bulk perspective, they have vertices of all kinds. But with the two parameters at hand, the rank of the gauge group n and the 't Hooft coupling lambda, we ask whether we can engineer a non-unitary limit that lands us on an anti-chiral subsector. Using recent developments in momentum space and spinor helicity analysis of conformal field theory, we find that the answer to these questions are actually yes. We can find such subsectors. More precisely, we define the following two limits. We take this anti-chiral limit where the 't Hooft coupling lambda or theta, which is just pi over 2 times lambda, to very, very large imaginary negative values. So we analytically continue from real values of the 't Hooft coupling to large imaginary values. And this, we claim, lands us onto an anti-chiral or a chiral subsector of Chern-Simons matter theories. Now, for example, if you take 2-point functions and take this anti-chiral limit, you find that only the minus minus 2-point function survives, whereas the plus plus 2-point function drops out, and the chiral limit does exactly the opposite, exactly as desired. Moving on to 3 points, we also find that, for instance, the anti-chiral limit only keeps 3-point functions with net negative helicity. Thus, at these levels, at the level of 2 and 3 points, we have identified a subsector of Chern-Simons matter theories that only keeps correlators with net negative helicity, which is exactly what a dual to anti-chiral higher spin gravity needs to have. The duality can be summarized by the following picture, and if you're interested, please come visit my poster. Thank you.